If you were looking to do a vanity makeover and organize your makeup for your YouTube channel, here are some steps you could follow. 1. Clear everything off your vanity. Start by removing all the items from your vanity, including makeup, skincare, and any other products you have on there. Clean your vanity. Once your vanity is clear, clean it thoroughly with a disinfectant wipe or spray. This will help get rid of any dust or bacteria that may have accumulated on it. Sort through your makeup. Go through your makeup collection and sort out what you want to keep and what you want to get rid of. You can donate or give away any items that are still usable but no longer work for you. Categorize your makeup. Sort your makeup into categories such as face, eyes, lips, and brushes. Add some decor. Finally, add some decorative touches to your vanity to make it look pretty and inviting. You could add a vase of flowers or a scented candle to create a cozy atmosphere. With these steps, you'll have a beautiful and organized vanity to showcase on your YouTube channel.